Hey there! Today we're delving into a fascinating problem that can arise while working with C++ code. The issue at hand involves the potential conflict between the max function from limits and the preprocessor macro expansion in Windows.h. Quite the pickle, right? Now, let's jump into the solution to this tricky problem. Turns out, there's a clever way to sidestep this conflict. By using additional parentheses around std, numeric_limits double max, we can avoid the preprocessor macro expansion from Windows.h. This nifty trick works because a function like macro in C++ is replaced only if the character following its name is. Who knew parentheses could come to the rescue like that? In a nutshell, we've uncovered a neat workaround to prevent macro expansions from causing a headache in our C++ code. And with that, we've reached the end of our discussion. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. Happy coding, and until next time.